What's going on, guys? I am here making a quick video about the PCV valve. So the red one is the stock one from my 2014 Nismo RS Juke, and the black one is a new one from Nissan. It's the part number for the 2017 Nismo RS Juke, but they share the same engine. I noticed they revved up the part and made a new one for the 2017 model, so I got that one as a replacement. I just wanted to make this couple-minute video on how to change and what to look for. There's actually a really good guide on this that I used as my base for this on the Juke forums. So if you search PCV install on the Juke forums, you will find that guy's guide. But basically, what you need to know is when you get to this point, to get to this point, you're going to need to remove just a few things, some 8mm bolts and some 10mm bolt and nuts. And I pulled this bracket out, and then this other bracket is in the way, and I just threaded that guy back in. And then you also need to undo this gray connector here, and I just left it clipped in on this side because I just needed it out of the way. Then the PCV valve goes right here. So the stock one is red, unless you have a 2017, so it'll be right here. So you'll be able to find it there. And then it's 23mm to get it out. Unfortunately, I am not at home. I am using someone else's tools, so I was able to use a 15/16 socket to get to it. It's close enough. Basically, this part's only supposed to be finger tight, so it's not really super difficult to get out. You just need the leverage. So basically, let me change angles really quick. So basically, all you really need to know about testing this guy is when you've removed it. This way it might be a little bit gross, but it works. So the PCV valve should allow one-way travel of air through it. So basically, you should only be able to suck or pull from this side air through it. You shouldn't be able to push air back through it. So with the new one, the black one, like I said, is the new one that I just got from Nissan. If I suck, you can hear that air passes through it, but if I blow, it's difficult to tell, but air is not flowing. But on the old guy, if I suck, air comes through, and if I blow, I don't know if you can hear it, but air is passing through the other way, which is wrong. So basically, I took an 800-mile road trip on this car, and by the time I arrived, I had consumed nearly a quart of oil. So I know that the Jukes are known for high oil consumption, but that seemed like a lot to me, which caused me to investigate this issue. And is also, I will be ordering a catch can today, so I can continuously monitor this situation easier. So yeah, I guess that's my quick little video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll do the best that I can to answer you or point you in the direction of someone who can. Thanks. Bye.